Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing video of Alienware X16. So gonna do the unboxing and first impression on X16. This is a 2023 model, and later this week or coming weeks I will be testing out this one fully, and I will make a separate review video for that one. And we also going to compare the X16 versus X17 R2 from last year, which I currently own. So before we jump into the unboxing, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and hit that like button just to help us push this content further. So let's get on with unboxing. First of all, let me tell you the configuration on this model. This is the latest UK model with a high specific configuration for this unit is Intel i9 30900HK 14 cores 20 thread boost up to 5 GHz and NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU, 16GB GDDR6 memory, 16-inch 240Hz Quad HD display, and 32GB 6000 mAh RAM. So RAMs are integrated to the board. It's a bit of shame we cannot upgrade later on if you want to. So I believe I have chosen the 2TB SSD on this unit. So let's get inside and take a look. So like X15 and X17 from last year, we got the box inside the box. So this is a black outer box, and then we go box inside with the white magnetic doors in there. Let's put that on the side for a second. Inside the box there's a 330-watt charger, wall factor charger in there. Let's put that on the side. There's a power cable, and what's in there? There's nothing else. I believe there is something else in here. So we got USB-C to Ethernet cable, Ethernet adapter. So we got USB-C to Ethernet adapter with the alien head logo on this adapter as well. So they must have removed the Ethernet port on this one. Is a bit of shame this year. So let's put the big black box on the side. All right, so let's unbox this one. As you can see, like X series from last couple of years, you will get box magnetic door box. There's a cellophane on that one. We'll take this one out first. There's a pull tab on the one side. Put that on the side. It's very beautiful box with the alien head logo. So this is a magnetic door box as from the previous models X15 and X17. As you open up, you will see the X16 laptop inside. So there's a few textures on the board side of the board inside. So there's a pull tab on one side. Let's put that on the side for a second. So there's a booklet inside with nice texture of fishes in there. There's a booklet, few instruction manual in there. There's a wee booklet, and there's a warranty paper, everything, and there's a 2 alien head logo sticker in there, very important. So this is everything in the box. So if you have a X15 or X17 from last year, you will notice we lost the lunar light lid. We got just plain aluminium finish in there. So and this is aluminium color, and this is a white back panel in there. This is kind of weird combination, and there's a whole panel of honeycomb ventilation, and there's a speaker grills, and there's a more ventilation on the side. Let's take the cellophane out on this one as well. So let's start with the ports. There's no ports on the other side of the laptop anymore, so they move all the ports on the back. So starting with the right side, there's a headphone jack. Used to be on the right side, they moved it there as well. There's a mini mini SD card port, there's a display port, and a Thunderbolt port. There's a HDMI 2.0, there's a 2 USB port 3.0, there's a display port, and the charger point in there. So they have changed the charger from left to the back, so this will look more cleaner. But it's a shame they changed the headphone jack from here to the back, so it would be hard to change it back in there while you're using. So this is just a plain aluminum finish. The alien head logo will light up. There's no number 16 anymore like a X17. Last year there's just a X. And on the back, as you can see, there's a whole rubber feet in there. So there's a wee bit space in here to take airflow in there on the front and the back. So there's no small rubber feet. There's a whole panel with the rubber feet in there. So let's open up the laptop. So this is from inside. Take the cloth on the one side. Beautiful keyboard. Typing experience is a bit different than X17R2, but this is a similar keyboard. Pad is smaller, but this is a glass trackpad, I believe. You can see through from the ventilation. There's a fans in there both sides. This one must be the speaker grills in there. The trackpad is smaller than the X17R2, and because it's a smaller form factor laptop. So let me fire up this one. So here we are, guys. We are backed. Everything is set up. So there's a few things I have noticed straight away in Alienware X16. So the first one I have noticed, now we go secondary symbols are backlit on this keyboard. It was a shame last year X17R2 secondary symbol did not light up, so it was taken away. So other big thing, glass touchpad RGB lighting is back. It feels really nice, feels really good. This is amazing. It was taken away last year in X17R2. Another thing I have noticed, we lost the alien head logo power button and it's been printed to the keyboard. But good thing is it's light up same as a alien head logo. Everything else is look like X17R2, but there is a biggest improvement in this X16 is speaker system. As last year X17R2 speaker sounds really terrible. I do own X16R2 and the sound quality is really poor. So this year X16 have a 6 speaker system. I think is a 4 woofer and 2 tweeter, and so Alienware X16 speaker sound like this. This is on 20% volume. And this is a 50% volume. Just a little secret. I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't want to see the warning signs. And now this is 100% volume. Oh, I should know. It hits me like a tidal wave. Every time you say my name. So now X16 speakers sound really amazing with a massive improvement. I do it on last year Razer Blade 17 Pro. I think I do strongly believe X16 speaker system is much better than last year Razer Blade 17 Pro, which I did really like. Clear and loud sound on that one. But this year X16 speaker system sound super amazing, and I love the sound on the X16. Now there is a screen difference this year. We go 16-inch 2560 by 1600 240 Hz panel. This is a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. So it is bright panel, super fast, excellent all around. I already have a X17R2 UHD 120Hz panel one, so I will compare both of the model in next coming videos, and we'll do the full comparison X16 versus X17, pros and cons on both of the laptops. So we are going to compare both of them in next coming video. So X series laptops are absolutely amazing. Hello everyone, this is Alienware X16 webcam test and the microphone test. How's the sound like? And also I have noticed one more thing, as I mentioned earlier on the palm rest area, this is not soft touch anymore, so less fingerprint. As you can see, no fingerprint. Let's check out the benchmark score on X.
It's me like a tidal wave every time you say my name.
So there's another big improvement in Alienware system, and there is a new Alienware command center. There's a new look of the art is being improved, and it's been upgraded to the next level. You can customize so many things in here, and you can see the real-time data of your CPU, GPU, and memory, and your drive in there. And you can customize. You can now there's a few option in there. You can you choose a battery, quiet, balance, and performance mode in here. You can do on performance or thermal mode in there, so it's easy to see all the information in there. There's no bug this year. Used to be really buggy alien command center for the X17 R1 and R2 from previous year. That was a nightmare. So you can also customize your RGB system, keyboard lighting, RGB trackpad, alien head logo on the back, and the lighting from Alienware command center. And you can also customize your speaker sound system from Dolby sound software from Alienware command center. So this is quite handy. You can adjust your sound system recording in your environment if you're playing game or you're watching movie or listening to your music. So this is another big improvement this year. And so far the Alienware command center are really responsive and super easy to use, and with the new interference and with some new option being added to the command center. So guys, this is my conclusion and opinion about Alienware X16 R1. There's so many massive improvements this year in this laptop. RGB trackpad is back. There's a backlit keyboard, secondary symbol back, and also there's a better sound system in this one, and the screen are really bright and super responsive and amazing colors on quad HD display. I've been using for a long time UHD, and I do not feel any difference between UHD and quad HD on this laptop. So far is an amazing laptop. So stay tuned to my channel, and please like the video if you found this video informative for you. So I will see you next unboxing and review video. Thank you very much for watching.